Hey everyone, Ricky here from Rhino Networks. Today we're diving into the unboxing of the Meraki Z4, Cisco Meraki's latest offering in their line of secure remote work gateways. If you're looking to upgrade your network with a mix of simplicity and power, you're in the right place. Let's see what's inside the box. First impressions are key, and the Meraki Z4 does not disappoint. The packaging is clean and professional, just like you'd expect from Meraki. Inside, you'll find the Z4 unit itself, an Ethernet cable, along with a power adapter and a quick start guide. Everything you need to get started is right here. Now, let's take a closer look at the Z4. This device strikes a great balance between compact design and robust performance. The Z4 is an enterprise-class firewall, VPN gateway and router with Wi-Fi 6 wireless connectivity, 5 gigabit Ethernet ports, including a built-in PoE-enabled port for VoIP phones and other powered devices. It's designed to securely extend the power of Meraki cloud-managed networking to almost any location. Setting up the Meraki Z4 is very straightforward. Thanks to Meraki's intuitive cloud management dashboard, you can configure your network with just a few clicks. The device supports advanced features like traffic shaping and VLANs, giving you the flexibility to meet a variety of network needs. Plus, the single pane of glass cloud dashboard allows you to oversee your network from anywhere. One of the standout aspects of the Z4 is how it integrates seamlessly with the Meraki ecosystem. If you're already using Meraki products, this device will enhance your network's performance effortlessly. And if you're new to Meraki, the Z4 is a great entry point into their suite of powerful network solutions. So there you have it, the Meraki Z4, packed with features and ready to elevate your network setup. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next video.